How to fix Shazam microphone permission denied. Now, if you're also having this error message whenever you try to open up the app of Shazam, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if your permissions is actually allowed inside of the settings. So what you can simply do is head over to the permission settings. If you're currently on an Android device, you can simply tap and hold the application, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, simply head over to app permissions and make sure that you find the option called microphone and make sure that it is set to allow. As soon as you do that, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if this is not the case with you, then in this case, what you'll need to do is try to clear the cache of the app of Shazam. So simply head back to the same platform or the settings section, head over to storage and simply tap on clear data and select the clear cache option. Now, if you're still facing issues even after trying out both of these steps, the last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the application of Shazam from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will be fixed, as well as any sort of glitches which you might be having will also be fixed. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Shazam microphone permission denied. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.